Welcome to our channel. Today we how to turn off Amazon order notifications, app settings step by step clearly. Open the Amazon Shopping app on your phone or tablet. Make sure you are signed in to the correct Amazon account. Tap the profile icon at the bottom menu, or tap the three-line menu if your layout is different. Tap your account to open your account settings. Scroll down until you find the section called Settings. Tap Notifications to enter notification controls. Look for a category related to orders, purchases, or delivery updates. Tap the Orders or Delivery Updates option to view its notification types. Disable order confirmations if you do not want alerts after placing an order. Disable shipment notifications if you do not want alerts when items ship. Disable Out for Delivery notifications if you do not want alerts on delivery day. Disable delivered notifications if you do not want alerts after delivery is completed. If you see promotions mixed in, leave them on or off based on your preference. Go back one screen to make sure your changes are saved. Now open your phone's main settings app to fully control app notifications. Tap Notifications in your phone settings. Find and tap Amazon Shopping from the list of installed apps. Turn off Allow Notifications to block all Amazon notifications completely. If you prefer partial control, keep Allow Notifications on and edit categories instead. Tap Notification Categories to see individual notification channels. Turn off Order Updates or Shipment Updates categories if they are listed. Turn off Delivery Notifications or Package Tracking Notifications if they appear. Turn off sound or vibration options if you only want silent notifications. Turn off lock screen alerts if you do not want notifications to show privately. Turn off notification badges if you do not want the app icon to show a number. Return to the Amazon app and check notifications again for consistency. Place a test order only if you want to confirm the settings in real time. Repeat the same steps on any other device where you use the Amazon app. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.